The cash flow should cover debt, at least.
Tired of waiting for your next paycheck? What if you could generate cash flow today on your terms? This is the essence of true financial independence I've built my philosophy on. Let's break free. Dan Peña charges us to act with urgency. Dive into this beginner's guide to cash flow businesses and start your journey now. Forget the endless grind of a 9-to-5 where your income stalls. A cash flow business is your ticket out. It's a venture that pumps consistent, predictable cash with low overhead, offering essential services or products. Unlike jobs or stocks where you wait for returns, this builds your asset column by putting money in your pocket daily. Robert Kiyosaki teaches that assets, not savings, are the key. Let's acquire them to escape the paycheck trap. Why chase cash flow?
Okay, ROI, return on investment, okay, or we would call cash flow. It's the cash flow that I'm really looking for, okay? There's a couple of terms. One is, you could use ROI. Cash flow is a term. All these are made up though, guys. It's like, how good's the building? The better the building is, the better the future the building is, the less I need for return. Why? Number one reason, you wanna write this down, number one reason is what? Preserve capital.
It's your runway to ditch the 9-to-5, replacing active income with money that works for you. This control and freedom are what I've always preached. Cash flow gives you options to live life on your terms. Luke Belmar says it's about dominating your financial destiny, moving from labor to leverage, and that shift starts with understanding its power. Ready to unlock cash flow? Smash that like button and subscribe to Nova Society Finance. Let's build your financial independence. Start with local service businesses. Think mobile car detailing, junk removal, dog walking, or small handyman gigs. These need little upfront cash. Tap into high demand and deliver direct cash. Robert Kiyosaki shows this builds a tangible asset, your client base and system, teaching cash flow basics without big investment. Luke Belmar urges you to spot local needs and execute relentlessly, mastering market skills for future ventures. Begin with $5,000 to $10,000 to cover tools and marketing, aiming for $1,000 to $2,000 per month early on. Next, explore simple digital services. Manage social media for local businesses, write content, design graphics, or assist virtually. This offers flexibility and scales with your skills. Robert Kiyosaki highlights that your intellectual asset, a replicable system, mirrors big business models. Luke Belmar demands discipline to master a skill and audacity to sell it, creating your own economy. Start with $5,000 to $10,000 for training and tools, targeting $1,500 to $3,000 per month as you grow. Consider vending machines or ATMs, a boring business with solid cash flow. Place them in high traffic spots and they earn passively. Robert Kiyosaki calls this a physical asset that works 24/7 like a silent employee. Luke Belmar stresses due diligence in sourcing and placement to ensure cash, not dust. Invest $10,000 to $20,000 per machine, aiming for $300 to $500 per month per unit, scaling with more locations. Excited to start your cash flow journey? Hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Stay with Nova Society Finance for more. First, spot a problem to solve, locally or online. Rich people don't hunt customers, they create solutions for them. Damon John says find a niche, then dominate it. This sets the stage for cash flow by aligning with demand. Don't quit your job yet. Test the waters with a few clients. This smart resource use minimizes risk, a core budgeting principle. Ramit Sethi advises starting lean to prove your idea, building confidence before scaling. Chase cash, not vanity. Ensure every dollar counts. Your venture's budget should prioritize quick returns and positive cash flow. Grant Cardone pushes for profit focus, turning small wins into big gains. Use initial profits to grow. Let your business fund itself. This turns small gains into larger assets. Jeff Bezos scaled Amazon by reinvesting smartly. Follow that model to hit $10,000 to $20,000 in cash flow. Ready to take control of your finances? Drop your chosen business in the comments below and check out our Money Magnet Premium Eco Hoodie. Wear your wealth journey. Think you're not an entrepreneur? Everyone can be. Start by solving a problem for others and learning how money flows. Luke Belmar says, don't work for money, work to learn, building skills to master cash flow. Barbara Corcoran adds that anyone can start with effort. Take that first step today. Take charge today. Explore a local market gap, hone a digital skill, or pinpoint vending locations. Andrew Tate insists that relentless effort turns potential into profit. Make your 9 to 5 work for you. Kick off with $5,000 to $10,000 in savings or investment.
You don't get to win giving half. You don't get to rise by trying when it's convenient. Every second you waste, there's someone out there giving it all, breathing it, living it, dying for it. And when it's time to compete, he won't hesitate. He'll walk over you. Why? Because he decided long before you did that nothing else mattered. Not sleep, not doubt, not the opinion of people who don't matter. He committed, he gave his all, and now he collects.
This guide frees you. Shift to cash flow with local services, scale digitally, or go passive with vending. Master needs, validate smartly, prioritize profit, and reinvest to hit $10,000 to $20,000. Hal Elrod says mornings ignite action. Start now. Invest $5,000 to $10,000 today. Peter Thiel says vision wins. Claim your independence. Luke Belmar urges you to build your empire. Seize this moment. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up and like this video. It helps push this content to more people who need to see it. Please subscribe to Nova Society Finance. Always remember to master your money. Don't let your money master you. Want to dive deeper into cash flow, budgeting, and wealth building? Click on one of the following videos to continue your journey.